make something today that matches my outfit. How about some Palak Paneer? In order to do so, I need some spinach that has to be washed, chopped, blanched, grinded. I need to cut some onions, fry a little while doing so, saute that, cut tomatoes, saute that, make ginger garlic paste, add curry leaves and cumin seeds and a whole lot of spices. Instead, what I'm going to do is use Flavor Fusion Palak Paneer. All I need is Flavor Fusion and paneer. And you know what is the best part? All of this is present in here and the nutrition content is exactly the same. The first step is to take a pot or a pan and add about 3 tablespoons of oil. I'm using avocado oil. You can use any kind of oil that you like. Even ghee. Ghee is so good for you. And then the next step is to add your Flavor Fusion packet. So this has about 16 ingredients, all fresh spices and herbs and your aromatics like ginger and garlic and of course your onion, tomato and palak. So I'm going to quickly add about ½ cup of hot water. Give it a good stir. That's it. Saute it about 5 to 6 minutes and then we'll add our paneer. Yeah. So as you can see, this is formed like a paste and I am sauteing it in about low to medium heat. You can always add more water if you feel like it's too thick. All you need to do is just saute it till you feel that smell, that aroma of the garlic and ginger all cooked through. And you'll see the oil starting to separate. It'll take about 5 to 8 minutes maybe. Yeah, so you know it's done when it's not like sticking to the bottom anymore. Clean. And of course the smell is so good. I'm adding about ½ a pound, that's about 220 grams of paneer. Then you just mix it well and add about ½ a cup to 1 cup of water. It just depends on the consistency that you like. Some like it with a lot of gravy, some like it more thicker. Close it and let it cook through. Optionally, you can have some heavy cream or coconut cream. I'm adding some coconut milk just for that slight creaminess, but it's absolutely optional. So once we've mixed the paneer thoroughly with the water and the gravy, you just close it and let it cook in low to medium heat for another 5 to 8 minutes. And the benefits of this is that there's only 3 simple steps as you saw. We put oil or whatever cooking liquid that you like, and then we added the Flavor Fusion pack. Put some hot water, mixed it, cooked it, and then we added the paneer and that's it. It's just 3 simple steps. So the tagline of Flavor Fusion is now anyone can cook. It could be busy moms handling kids. It could be your husbands who've never entered the kitchen, or even people who've never made anything more than an omelette. Students who have assignments and also working professionals who spend hours in commute. So this is for everyone and it's super simple, super easy, super flavorful, and the best part, it's healthy. Guys, though we are saying it's 2 serve, but just look at the quantity. This is like 3.5 serve, and we're gonna have it with fresh rotis that we just made. Super excited to be trying this. I'm gonna invite my father over for our taste testing. Palak Paneer that we made with Flavor Fusion, which you can also make. It's that easy. So good.
Wow, so good.
I'm going to use Palak Paneer Flavor Fusion mix. Wait, why you threw it at my face?